Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can unpack dictionaries and pass them as arguments of a function. Okay, so first of all, let's define a very simple function, def greet. It will take the first name and last name. Okay, and here after that, what we can do inside of that, I can just print the first name or an if string, basically hello there, comma, first name space last name. Okay, this is good. Now here I can just do something like greet, and here I have to pass the first name and the last name equals to something like John. Not like that. Okay, all right. Now last name equals to Doe. Okay, now if I run the program, we are getting hello there, John Doe. So this is good. But for example, we are having a dictionary called person equals to, here we are having the same thing, first name. So the keyword argument here has to be the same. Okay, inside of the dictionary, let's do Sarah and let's do last name is Smith. Okay, and here now if I just run the program and call the greet method, okay, so here what I have to do, I have to provide the person details, something like this. Okay, so how we can do that? So first of all, let's just provide the dictionary here. So person and run the program. So as you can see, we are getting an error. Okay, and why is that? Because we are passing a dictionary and it is expecting some sort of the keyword arguments here. So how we can solve this problem? How we can pass the dictionary in an unpacked way so that it looks something like this under the hood. So what we have to do, we have to add double asterisks when we are passing that dictionary inside of the function call. Okay, so run the program. We are getting hello there, Sarah Smith. So what exactly is happening under the hood? Under the hood, what is happening here? It is doing something similar to this one. Okay, so here I will just paste it down here. So it is doing something like this. So basically, this person dictionary gets unpacked into this sort of syntax, basically the keyword argument syntax inside of the function. And that is why what is happening under the hood, we are getting first name as Sarah, last name as Smith. Okay, and our functions run properly. Okay, so this is how we can unpack dictionaries and pass them as arguments inside of the Python function call. Okay.